This is Adalit and I'm checking in with you. Wondering if it's really possible to succeed in your projects and have order in your business? Here's what you need to know. It is really possible to succeed in your projects, and you don't need complicated systems and tools that take a long time to initiate and plan the project. Long and endless meetings without a specific plan in place and lack of clear goals. A demotivated team that they don't know where to start. You must develop a proven plan that will take you from initiating that project and business with your client to successfully finishing the project with a clear goal and results. The essential foundations and fundamentals taught in the Project Management Workshop series will help you master the project management skills required to overcome the overwhelming challenges and missing deadlines and to crush every project goal, milestone, and deadline today. This is exactly what you will receive when you enroll in any of the 3 project management workshops. These workshops is especially designed for virtual assistants, small business owners, and new project leaders or unofficial project managers to produce quick, actionable milestones to achieve the project mastery and confidence you need for your projects and your business. If you have been thinking about joining a real project management and agile short program, Black Friday and this weekend is the best time to do it because we're running a flash sale for the project management workshops, the bundle. Enroll now in the Project Management Workshop series and let's clear the path to successful projects in your career and in your business. It's time to check out. This was Adalit Gracia.